Finally going to warm up. Well, for more than a century, the Brown Mansion has awed visitors and residents of Coffeyville, Kansas alike. Once owned by the family of a wealthy natural gas tycoon, the massive three-story colonial-style home now sits on the National Register of Historic Places. KOAM photojournalist Liam Mandelbaum shows us a glimpse of a life of luxury frozen in time.
We are in our lovely historic Brown Mansion. A little bit of history preserved.
I tell them the story about the house and the people. I want them to leave with a love for the history, for the things they've seen and how well it's been preserved, and fond memories of the Brown family, because this was all theirs. Many, many generations will be able to come back and see how they lived, what their lifestyle was like, learn a little bit about the people. Mr. Brown was drilling for oil, and he struck the second biggest deposit of natural gas in the United States at that time. That's where the big bucks came from. There was 500 acres here when he started building this house in 1898. They moved in 1906.
We can let you into the rooms. We don't have to have it all roped off. We can actually get a feel for the house. I feel like what makes it special is when you walk in the kitchen door, you feel at home. You feel like that's where your keys are supposed to go. And so when we bring people here, we want them to feel at home and to experience a little bit of what the Brown family felt.
It has taken a lot of renovations to get it to the place where we could open it up for everyone to come and enjoy. And then during the year, we may have fundraisers here. I have several weddings scheduled. We usually have fall activities here. And then we have in December, at nighttime, we have candlelight tours. It is our jewel. There's nothing like it, even in the surrounding towns. This is, it's the jewel of Coffeyville.
Definitely a jewel. The Brown Mansion offers guided tours to visitors Tuesday through Saturday from 1 to 3 p.m. We'll have more information on our morning show page at KOAMnewsnow.com.